Hello there, team. This quick video today is just going to show you quickly what happens when you save a Crimson database and you click yes to the new database identifier. So if you look here, I've got a Crimson HMI running here, and I've got set points in here. If I click the menu button, I've got a bunch of names of different pages and so forth. So if I open up Crimson here, or I have Crimson open, this is the database that's running, and if I go File, Save As, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a new suffix, Rev D, for instance. So I'll just change the name here to capital D. I'll hit Save, and this pop-up comes up. And I'm going to click, and this time I'm going to click the word Yes. I always teach people to click No, because if you allocate a new identifier, it's going to retain, or it's going to clear any data logs, any retentive tags, and so forth. It's going to wipe it all out, and the HMI is going to think it's a whole new program. And this is 99% of the time a no-no, and I'm just going to show you what happens if you happen to click yes to this. So I'm going to click yes to this. So now, unbeknownst to us, this file has a new database identifier, and I'm going to go ahead and download it to this HMI. I'll do the update. There's a pop-up right away, a little warning. It says, hey, wait a minute. This has got a database that's different. Do you want to proceed? If you do this, all the data is going to be deleted, will be lost, if you will. So I'm going to click yes, and I'll just show you what happens when I go to download this. Because beforehand, I just want you to notice you got the set points and everything in here. All my different rooms are named and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes to this and download it to the screen. Let's see here. I probably timed out while I'm waiting there, so maybe I'll hit, oh, there it goes. Let's see if it picks up. Okay. So it's downloading the complete new database, and watch what happens here. So now if I go back to the web server, it's going to restart here. Look, all my pages are blank, all my names. If I go into here, all my set puts are gone. It's back to default setting here. So I have to go back in and type in my names here. So because I entered yes to that identifier, all these set points and everything got deleted, all my data tags. So this is why I always teach people, when you see that pop up, you want to create a new database identifier, always say no. So here I am making changes to the screen. I'll put in some other names. Maybe this is my kitchen. And I'll put in some other set points here. 90 for the air conditioner, and maybe I want the heater to go on at 25 and so forth. And so if I put this over to heat mode, you'll see when it gets back down, it'll drop. If I put AC mode, you'll see the AC's on, AC's running here, and so forth. Of course, it goes off there, and the heater is down here. But now if I go over to Crimson, and say just for giggles, I'll go here to, no, I'll go to the menu page, and maybe I want to move this guy up here. I'll move this guy here, and I'll move this guy here, like that. And I'm going to save this as a different name, Save As. And I'll call this Rev E, for instance, Rev E here. Hit Save. Change the name, but this time I'm going to say no. I don't want to create a new identifier, so I'll say no. When I re-download this time, these names should be here. My set points should be here still, but these two will show up here and work fine. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and hit the Shazam button. Boom. Download it to it. There we go. Notice the other pop-up didn't come up. If I go back here to my main browser, once it resets, look, it just moved these here. And if I go to here, it kept the set points. So again, when that pop-up comes up, do you want to create a new database identifier? 99% of the time, team, you want to click no to that option. Please remember that. Click no to the new database identifier. Hey, thanks a lot. Have a great day.